Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamaica Janelle. If you are new, like I said, I'm Jamaica Janelle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell for notifications so you won't miss an upload. I do post weekly, so you don't want to miss it. You guys like my hair? Thanks, I did it myself. This video is just gonna be a quick review on Curology. I asked you guys and this is what you guys wanted, so this is for you. Go ahead and comment below your appreciation. Curology, let's go ahead and get started with them. I started with Curology because my face was looking like who shot what, who shot who, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't deal with it anymore. So I saw Curology and was like, okay, let me go ahead and try them out. So I tried them out. I'm surprised. I'm actually really surprised at how well Curology has improved my skin as a whole. They have 3 products: a moisturizer, a nighttime cream, and a cleanser. In the package, they have cleanser where you start first. You cleanse your face, just like that. Yep, you can see, go ahead and get into those pores, get them all cleaned up. Yep. And once you do that, you wipe your face with a rag to get all that extra suds off your face. You can do like a toner or a serum, vitamin C serum. You can do some ice. Usually that's what I do. Put some ice on my eyes and put like a mask underneath my eyes and let that sit. Follow your normal skincare routine. And then once you do all that, they have a moisturizer. And so you're gonna put your moisturizer on after all of your skincare morning routine. Then you fast forward to the night. So the nighttime routine is pretty much the same thing. You start with a cleanser, get all in that skin, get that all up in your pores and make sure they're all nice and clean. Wipe it off with a rag, or if you have one of those handy dandy fancy face cloths, use one of those. Then you do your nighttime routine. So that usually consists of like a toner. They have night serums and all those good things. You can use those. And then the next thing you want to do is use your Curology nighttime cream. You just use a dab of it like that. Rub that on your face. Make sure you don't forget your neck. Never forget the neck. You would go into your moisturizer at the end. I started seeing improvements in my skin within a week. Everyone is different, depends on how rough your skin's looking, what kind of issues you have going on, and what other products you use. So those definitely make a difference. One thing I do want to point out is that when you start using Curology, you may have a breakout within the first couple of days of using it. And it even says in the box too that if you experience a breakout, if the breakout doesn't consist of any irritation, itching, redness, continue to use it because the irritation or the breakout will likely clear up. I know, right? The reason why they say you continue using it is because your skin is getting used to this new product. But in order for your skin to start thriving, it has to get used to that product and then start thriving. So like I said, if you start having a breakout where it's irritating, it's itchy, or it has a lot of redness and burning, don't continue to use it. Just stop using it. Contact Curology, speak to your personalized dermatologist, and they'll go ahead and either send you out another product or recommend something else for you. I didn't have that issue. I did have a slight breakout on my forehead that cleared up within the next day. Yeah, and my face is fine right now, as you can see. I have makeup on, but you could tell if I had like a huge breakout, but you could tell. I have some videos posted of how my face looks naturally, just so you can see. So yeah, that's all I have for you from Curology. I do appreciate you guys watching. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see my full daytime / nighttime skincare routine, because I do have a bunch of different goodies in there that I'm pretty excited to show you if you're interested in that. So let me know, comment below, and oh yeah, If you are still here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that bell for notifications if you haven't already, because I post videos weekly, and if you don't want to miss anything from your girl, go ahead and do those things for me. All right, bye. See you guys in my next video.